On this episode of Outside with Me, I'm going to be riding my mountain bike at River Gorge. Okay, so we're at a little peak out here, and we're going to check this out. See? Oh, gosh. Woo! Pretty cool. So this is made by River and Wind, and it takes many years for it to get this big and shaped like this, and the wind kind of carves the layers, and the water makes it deep and kind of carves the layers too. Let's get going. We have much more to see. Trail. Now I'm on this dead trail. I'm gonna head on up and hey. Okay, so have this beautiful view here. We're at Sasquatch. And pretty nice view. I'm gonna head up and show you a little bit longer, a little bit closer. So, I've gotten a little closer here, as you can see, and I am showing this. So, let me know if you see anything, and it's a super nice view right here. So it might rain, but yeah, I'm part of it. But so I guess I'm gonna check out Red River Gorge. It's super cool. If you haven't been there, if you haven't been to Red River Gorge, super cool. A lot of bike trails, a lot of hiking trails, bunches of camping spots, bunch of jeeping spots, and good view. Definitely check it out. Make sure to like and subscribe, and remember, stay awesome.